श्रीमान राहुल गांधी चाहे देश में हो चाहे विदेश में हो, उसका एक ही काम है कि मोदी जी को गाली देना और देश को बदनाम करना। इस देश ने उसके खानदान को सब कुछ दिया है, उसको लोग आजकल कोई सीरियसली लेता नहीं है।
Union Minister Kiren Rijiju will contest the Lok Sabha elections from Arunachal Pradesh West, a seat he first represented in Parliament from 2004 to 2009 and then again for 2 consecutive terms from 2014 to 2024. Kiren Rijiju's political journey is a testament to resilience, dedication and unwavering commitment to public service. Mr. Rijiju has been a passionate advocate of ushering in reforms in northeastern states. The Union Minister boasts an impressive over 90% attendance record in Parliament, raising questions of national and international importance. Born on November 19, 1971, to Rinchen Kharu and Chirai Rijiju, Mr. Rijiju demonstrated a keen interest in public affairs in his student days. After completing his education, including a law degree from the University of Delhi, Rijiju delved into public service with an ardent desire to uplift the lives of those marginalized and underprivileged. In 1987, Rijiju became a member of the youth and cultural team that participated in the Festival of India in the USSR. Rijiju's foray into politics began in the late 1990s when he joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, inspired by its vision of inclusive development and national unity. His inherent leadership qualities soon propelled him into the limelight within the party ranks. With his charismatic persona and articulate oratory skills, Rijiju quickly emerged as a prominent voice advocating for the rights and welfare of the people of Northeast India. In 2004, Kiren Rijiju made his maiden entry into the Lok Sabha, the lower house of the Indian Parliament, representing the Arunachal West constituency. His tenure as a Member of Parliament was marked by unwavering dedication to his constituents and a tireless pursuit of initiatives aimed at fostering socio-economic progress in the region. Rijiju's ascent within the BJP ranks continued unabated as he held several key positions within the party and the government. His tenure as the Minister of State for Home Affairs from 2014 to 2019 was particularly noteworthy. 2004 to 2009. Kiren Rijiju made his parliamentary debut in 2004 from Arunachal West as BJP member. 2009. Kiren contested the Lok Sabha election but could not win. 2014. Kiren Rijiju won Member of Parliament election again as a BJP candidate from Arunachal West constituency and got inducted into the cabinet as Minister of State Home Affairs. 2019 to 2021. He again got elected as member of Lok Sabha from Arunachal West constituency and was made the Minister of State independent charge of Sports and Youth Affairs. 2021 to 23. Rijiju got promoted to the cabinet rank and was appointed as the Minister of Law as Prime Minister Modi reshuffled his cabinet on July 7, 2021. 2023. He was sworn in as the Minister of Earth Sciences on May 18, 2023. Throughout his political career, Kiren Rijiju has remained grounded in his roots and connected with the aspirations of the common people. His accessibility, humility, and genuine concern for the welfare of every citizen have earned him widespread respect and admiration across the political spectrum. As Kiren Rijiju continues to chart his path in Indian politics, his journey serves as an inspiration to countless aspiring leaders, embodying the values of integrity, perseverance, and service to the nation. In his pursuit of a stronger, more prosperous India, Rijiju stands as a beacon of hope and a catalyst for positive change.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.